Eddie, Nvidia reports after the bell. Now, you own it. Do you plan on buying more?
We do, Stuart. Nvidia is the most important name in the market. I don't think we can get semis to take the next leg up without the best-of-breed name like Nvidia moving. So we have about a 3% position in our tactical strategy. We're going to double that position, especially if we get a dip post-earnings. Selfishly, I hope we do get a dip post-earnings. Best thing for that stock, I think, is a muted move, either up or down. But when we have a high conviction in a name, we're not afraid to go big.
Let's go through this, because around 4 o'clock Eastern time this afternoon, Nvidia releases the numbers, the raw numbers looking backwards. When those numbers are released, the algorithms react, and you've got some kind of movement in the stock price. Could be very volatile. Then you get the call looking to the future, and the algos take over all over again, and you get more volatility. That's what we're going to see this afternoon, right?
Absolutely, and guidance is the most important thing. And you've seen these stocks move 6 to 8% after guidance the next day. So tomorrow's going to be an exciting day and hopefully a great opportunity for a lot of investors.
Now, where do you see Nvidia going eventually? I mean, not in the next couple of hours or the next couple of days. Eventually, where does it go?
The reason why we're going to double our position is I think you can see a 20% move in this name, and it's hard to predict exact price, but you know, you're looking between 1,100 to 1,200 by the end of summer, because I think with the Fed, we have a Goldilocks moment here short term for the market, and your best of breed names and these higher flyers with the semiconductor space should be the leaders, and this is why we want to be in there. As well as some of our inflation hedges that we have on for clients.
If you're right about Nvidia, and it really does go up significantly, does that drag other big techs up as well?
Absolutely. I think you'll see a broad-based rally, and the other big tech names will go, but I think you'll see the names like Nvidia lead the way and the semiconductors be the leaders over the next 2 to 3 months. And so it's a great setup coming into earnings here today.
It's going to be quite a day, isn't it? You'll be glued at 4 o'clock, I'm sure, to all the numbers. You probably won't trade immediately, though, will you? Unless there's a big dip, right?
I hope we get a big dip.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us. Great to have you with us, Eddie.